What's up guys, Tyler at RC Madness. We're talking minis today. Mini crawlers, SCX24 specifically, but not this guy. Horizon's got a new one out, and I'm sure you know which one it is. Let's check it out. That's right, another SCX24 with the Bronco body, the new Bronco, 2022 Bronco body. This thing is sweet. We're gonna pop it open, check out the body, because that's mostly what's different with this guy. I'll compare it a little bit to my C10 there, so you guys can see side by side if anything has changed. But nothing too crazy chassis-wise, just popping out another fresh body for us there. Check out the colors on the side there, bottom, nothing going on there. Let's pop it out of the box, check it out. Coming out of the box, got your controller. This is the newer style controller, which seems to be working out well. I'm sure you guys are pretty familiar with it by now. Nothing crazy, but not too bad either. Of course, they give you the included batteries for your remote. That's nice. Looks like we got some spare shafts and a tool. Of course, Axial hooking up with some stickers. We got just a logo sticker and some cool body stickers to give it some stripes and whatnot. So that's cool. And of course, the fun instruction manual stuff there, and the included USB charger. Pretty typical stuff. If you guys have had SCX24s before, you're pretty familiar with what comes in the box. But this is really what we came to see, the new Bronco. This thing is looking sweet, and guess what? It's a hard body, so that's pretty cool. Performance-wise, gonna be a little top heavy, but looks-wise, looks phenomenal. The detail work on here is awesome. Mirrors, headlights, grille, bumper, tires. We got little door handles, ladders, fuel tanks, toolbox. Even got a spare tire, and look at the rear taillights and bumper. Scale-wise, this is probably their best body yet, followed by the Gladiator, which is really nice. But this baby's got a full interior and hard body and all the little details, so it's pretty sweet. We'll go ahead and pop the body up and see what it looks like underneath. And they did just do the Velcro on this guy. No body clips, just Velcro. Strip up top here so we don't see any clips on the hood, which is pretty cool. It's pretty strong Velcro too. Definitely not coming off. Ugh, you really got to peel it back. Underneath is a pretty typical SCX24. We got the new speed control. The battery's sitting in sideways now instead of lengthwise, which is kind of cool and different. Probably, I would assume, just to help clear the interior with the model, but nonetheless, still works the same. 2-cell LiPo battery, and looks like the same 88-turn motor, and same stock servo that we all hate, basically. But nonetheless, it's functioning, looks good. This does have white lights wired in, so I'm going to go and fire it up so you guys can check out the lights. Honestly, really sweet looking truck. Axial killing it again with the bodies in this 24 scale segment. Let's fire up those lights, see what those look like. Alright guys, so when you first turn the truck on, the lights on the bottom come on, so I'll show you real quick. Truck is off. Turn the truck on, the lights on the bumper come on, and they're fairly bright, looks pretty good. Now the front lights up here only come on once you power up your controller. Controller powered up. Now the front headlights come on, so when the radio goes off, headlights off, headlights on. So you need to put the batteries in the radio, and the radio has to be on for your front headlights to work. Now I'm sure you can just switch the channel in the front of the speed controller here if you just want them to always come on when the truck is on. But I think it was kind of cool. Truck is on or off with the headlights, so you can tell whether your truck is on or not, which is pretty cool. Or your radio, I guess. Seems like a weird feature, but it's kind of cool. Turn them on and turn off. So all in all, pretty cool there. No taillights. Wish I would have liked to seen some taillights in there. That would have been just a little bonus point there, but should be too hard to wire in a second string of lights. I wouldn't think. Looks like they give you just a little bit of space in there. Pop a little hole. Put some taillights in there. But all in all, pretty good. I'll pop the lights off here real quick so you can see what they look like in the dark. Alright, there we have it guys. In the dark, headlights. And bumper lights, we'll turn the headlights off, headlights on. Pretty cool. Bumper lights super bright, looking really good. Shining right at the camera. Ready? Look at that. Pretty sweet, guys. Pretty bright. Get a decent amount of distance. The lights are completely off in here, and I can see pretty well in front of me. This new speed control is super smooth, so that's cool. Pretty responsive. The radio feels pretty good. Looks pretty sweet in the dark. Do some night crawling. And as promised, I will show you side by side compared to my C10 truck, just in case you guys wanted to see what they look like. Wheelbase looks pretty much exactly the same. This one is the older truck electronic wise, so you can see that. Pump the body up here. Pretty much identical on the inside, other than battery placement. Whoa. Other than battery placement and the speed control unit, they're essentially the same. The Bronco coming with different tires, but all the upgrades should work exactly the same across the two. I don't see any problems there. Pretty much, there you go, undershot for you there. So all in all, should be able to upgrade it just the same. Figured I'd toss that in there for anybody that's wondering. But the real reason we're doing the video is for the body. The body is sweet. So there it is, guys. The new Bronco SCX24. Pretty sweet little car. We're gonna have a whole bunch of these in stock, all the colors, so come down, check it out. I'll have this guy out for a little bit. Promised my my buddy Adam this one, so shout out to him supporting my YouTube stuff, so I appreciate that. All in all, sweet car, guys. Good collection to the 24 scale lineup. Can't wait to see them out there on the course, a whole bunch of them. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next video.